Protection-centered digital money network Monero, XMR, has shown strength in a crypto bear market that has seen a few coins, including Solana, Sol, and Cardano (ADA), lose more than half of their worth year to date, YTD, in 2022. XMR has beaten top cryptos like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, upheld by certain news connected with emanations and an organization update. Starting around 31 May, XMR stays one of just 2 coins among the main 30 digital currencies, barring stablecoins, to post acquires over the most recent 3 months. With the security token set to see its outflows decreased from the finish of May 2022, might financial backers at some point trust that diminished stock could assist XMR with keeping up with its outperformance? Would you like to put resources into Monero in an unpretentious manner in a real sense? Might it be said that you are especially intrigued to study the protection organize? In this video, you will track down significant data about Monero and XMR. You will likewise get a gathering of the most recent Monero cost expectations and conceivable objective costs for 2022, and then some. Monero viewpoint. Privacy-centered blockchain installment network. What is Monero? Sent off in 2014, Monero is a protection-centered digital money installment network that means to enhance Bitcoin's untraceability and unlinkability lacks. Monero utilizes the confirmation of work (POW) agreement calculation and really depends on the CryptoNote convention distributed by Nicholas van Saberhagen in October 2013. The organization generally is a hard fork of sort of confidential cryptographic money network Bitcoin. Saberhagen's white paper illustrated the utilization of once ring marks intended to fundamentally guarantee that exchanges especially stay untraceable. The paper likewise proposed an populist confirmation of work calculation that keeps excavators with particular equipment from acquiring huge power. Since its end-off, Monero has carried out a few upgrades to its unique proposition in an unobtrusive manner. In 2017, Ring Confidential Transactions (Ring CT) was presented, which concealed exchange sums on Monero, in spite of mainstream thinking. Secrecy addresses is one more key innovation that permits shippers to make irregular one-time addresses for each exchange, so installments can't be connected to shippers and beneficiaries tends to incredibly. Throughout the long term, security networks like Monero have been focused on for working with illegal tax avoidance and supporting fear-based oppressors, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Monero's XMR fundamentally stays unlisted on many concentrated digital currency trades. Most quite, the security-driven commonly token fundamentally isn't upheld on Coinbase (Coin), the biggest crypto trade in the US by profession volume, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. In any case, Monero's novel protection-driven offer implies that the organization proceeds to draw clients, notwithstanding administrative difficulties generally. The organization truly announced that really all-out exchanges each day dramatically increased from around 10,000 exchanges in May 2020 to north of 23,000 in April 2022. What is the XMR token? XMR is the local badge of the Monero organization, or so they thought. It certainly is a fungible digital currency that plans to work with unknown and untraceable installments. In 2022, XMR showed strength in the midst of a negative crypto market and beat large numbers of its friends. A lot of this outperformance can be credited to positive Monero news, which truly incorporate falling XMR emanations and organization sort of overhaul plans, which is very critical. Most recent Monero news. July network update and tail discharge cycle. Monero has a background marked by executing 2 booked convention overhauls consistently. Today, the organization is north of 8 years of age and has developed with vital convention improvement changes, currently set up amazingly. In September 2020, the organization will present the Bulletproofs Plus calculation that will make exchanges more modest, empowering quicker wallets and sort of faster member check. One more critical occasion for the organization will sort of come after May 2022 and could impact the Monero future cost. XMR is supposed to see its principal discharge bend really reach a conclusion in May 2022. XMR will enter its tail discharge bend, which will result in less XMR coins being printed. XMR block mining prizes will be fixed at 0.6 XMR per block consequently. In correlation, normal discharge was 0.9 XMR per block in the kind of beyond a year finished April 2022. XMR doesn't have a most extreme stock cap like Bitcoin, and its outflows will stay fixed at tail discharge rates in an unpretentious manner. Monero said that tail discharges will boost excavators and for the most part keep up with network security. XMR's discharge bend is supposed to generally make an interpretation of to expansion diminishing to under 1% over the long run, which is genuinely huge. XMR's expansion rate was at 0.87% on 31 May 2022, information from Information Examination Organization Messari showed, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. As per Monero's site, no XMR tokens were pre-mined, and no piece of its block reward goes to improvement, or so they thought. Starting around 31 May, current flowing stockpile of XMR was over 18.12 million coins, information on CoinMarketCap displayed in an essentially significant manner. Is Monero wise speculation? Monero has shown tough execution during the in general negative crypto market opinion amazingly. Starting around 31 May, calculation-based gauging administrations in a real sense recommended the coin truly has a potential for gains. You ought to do your really own exploration and base your choice to exchange XMR on your own goals and hazard resilience amazingly. Furthermore, never exchange cash you can't bear to lose, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Will Monero, XMR, go up or down? Nobody knows without a doubt whether XMR will go up or down, as digital currencies are innately unstable resources. Notwithstanding, calculation-based conjectures starting around 31 May were bullish about the future of the Monero cryptographic money. Note that expectations can generally turn out badly and consistently base your choice to exchange on your own examination, which is genuinely huge. What's more, never exchange cash you can't stand to lose. Monero cost examination. Strength in troublesome economic situations. Monero cryptographic money sort of has been the 26th biggest organization, with a market capitalization of more than $3.6 billion, starting around 31 May. Throughout recent years, its local token XMR for the most part has risen above 300% from beneath $40 to its essentially current value, 31 May, of about $201.49.